Wow, madam!
Kung tayo nakapo.
Asa sila up? Ay, sila gab. Ay, sila up. Sila trend kasi yung hinahanap ko.
Hello.
Oh, you can get your breakfast na. Enjoy. Kumain ng marami, Mikmik, kasi kagabi gutom ka.
Are these chocolate?
Ayan o nakalagay, bread pudding. Ito may cereal dito. Kumuha ka ng plate mo, Mikmik.
Oh, I want cereal.
Cereal? Ayan, nakuha ka ng bowl.
Saan?
Bread pudding.
Good. There's kanin also. You don't like kanin?
May naman nakain mo ka. There's called a conger. Are you okay, man? I'm ready. Breakfast is there.
Wow. This looks fancy. That's a strawberry. This is maple. That's chocolate. Careful. Ah?
I did not know.
It's okay.
Oh, you go sit na muna. Damit, lagay mo na yun doon. Amazing. That looks fancy.
I'll grab the bottle later.
Why?
So that I can get more too.
You can put your butter on the table, ha?
What's that?
That is called Cinnabon.
Is it?
Maybe.
I'll just eat this one now.
Yeah. Then you can get a new blade for another one. It's called Overnight Oats.
Okay. What's the topping?
Blueberry.
Hot blueberry.
Sino ba tayo pinaupo? Ba't kulang kutsara?
Ah, kasi hindi ako pumasok sa main door eh.
Hindi ah.
Dalawa lang kami ni Mikmik yung wala dito.
Yeah, dito sa cake.
4 lang dito oh. Dalawa sa kwarto nila Lolo, dalawa sa kwarto nila Lola.
Dito kami dito na iupo.
Eh si Lolo yung ligaw pala.
Oo.
Eh hindi pala kayo dito pa eh.
Sabi ko, 425 kami.
Wala na nito. What is this?
Hindi pa ka nakainom.
Hindi ka pa nakain, no? Pangin ka lang natin.
Thank you.
Hello. Wala. Ayun yung mga ano, pagkain nila. Ayun yung juice nila. Lychee juice, water, infused water, tapos orange juice.
Orange juice na naisip ko. Paano kayo magpaparasailing ito?
Pwede bukas.
Hindi na may schedule yun. Naka-schedule naman for today.
Ano yun? Ano yung schedule natin bukas?
Ang schedule bukas is Crystal Kayak. Yung Crystal Kayak. Para tas pahinga na. Bahala na kayo kung gusto nyo mag-swimming, tapos sa dagat, stay sa room. Para hindi rin tayo masyado. 7:30 daw yung camp. Yung ano ko, di ba sabi mo camper yan?
Para carbon.
Ay, carbon. Pwede yan sa ilalim ng tubig. Bumili kasi ako ng gano'n. May floater. Para hindi siya lulog. I mean, kunyari, mabitawan. Kunyari, nagparasailing kayo. Sa bitawan. Pag float pa din siya. Kaya lang, ang pangit. Gumagano, hindi siya nakakatayo ganyan.
Alam mo.
Hindi, yung camera. Kasi tatlong legs yun, yung iipit mo yung ganyan. Ginanyan ko. Gumagano pa din yung camera, hindi siya nakakaganyan. Gumagano lang sa
Alam mo.
kaluwa.
Ano ito? Oh, ito. Ah, diba pa?
Yung binili kong ba isa para mag-float.
Ah, yun.
Hindi siya ganyan na screw. Yung ganyan siya, di ba may dalawa yan na gano'n?
Ah, ayun. Yung dalawang pa ganon. Guluwag pa rin. Ganun.
Sobrang higpit na ng gawa.
Ganun din problema na ano kaya, chest mount sa cellphone, kaya maluwag. Pero pag dito naman gamit ko, hindi naman siya maluwag.
Papa, dala mo yung sapatos mo pang buhangin. Ayun mga sombrero niyo. 2076 si Latina yun. Tara na.
2076?
Present po.
2076
Apa.
ma.
Ako na lang bagay.
Mauna na kayo doon kayo sa likod. Pasok mo doon. Doon. Sige, pasok na dyan. Ipaba mo nga yung upuan mo, kuya. Itulak mo lang pala mo. Paano pa ibaba? Ayan, ah. Sige. Paano makasakay na sa dito? Oh, mami swimsuit next show. Yes. Diba I give you the pink one? The pink one. Where's the pink one? I give it to you. Tina, ito bibigay ko sa'yo. Ano to? Hindi mo dinala yung pink? Hindi. Ah, dala din mami. Ay, ang tigas. What? You will see if it's the same. It's the same, of course. I bought it. I will record. Oh,
Kinabit na ni Tita yung mic.
Nilagay ko kasi dinala ni Trent, baka mawala. Yan lang dinala na isang piraso.
Isa para sa
Ano yung bit-bit mo, Tina?
Labada.
Magpapalaba ka ulit? Oo. Hindi sana sinabi mo para sumabay ako sa'yo.
Akala ko ang dadala ka nga.
Kasi ang dami ko na agad.
Pwede ka naman magdala mamaya din ulit.
Mamaya na lang, oo. Pagkatas na nila
Oo,
mag-swim.
pa.
Oh, sige na, mag-vlog ka na. Sige na, hello guys.
Ay, pwede sila na lang magsara. Where's the daddy? Where's the daddy? Where's the
Yan.
daddy?
Go to the Philippines na. Philippines.
Daddy?
Sleeping.
Ay, si daddy, oh.
Where's Daddy?
Ay, sa harap, go drive. Near the driver.
Here?
Yeah, daddy sitting there.
May can bawo the camera.
Are you a vlogger, Trent? Isandan. Are you gonna put that on YouTube, Trent?
Yeah.
Tira na yung camera mo. Tira na nga. Tabingin na. Kasi ang ginagalaw niya, imbis na ano.
Tita, look.
I-play video na?
Look.
Did you start na the video? You face the camera to your camera. Ay, nag-black. Sa likod yan, pinipindot. Ganon yung screen sa likod. Ano? Yung screen.
Tita, this is black. It's black.
Nagpa-black yan, pero nagre-record pa rin. Inay, malakas yung signal dun sa dagat. Okay. Ay, hindi malakas. Mas naman natin.
Paano?
pang mukha ko.
Kasi ano eh, ang dami. Lumabas ka muna, tapos isara mo. Tapos magbabay na kami sa'yo.
Very simple.
Higpit kasi.
Tingnan niyo muna yung Tiago.
Sasalan na lang nila yan.
Oo, sila nasasalan.
Tapos try mo yung suggestion mo.
Kasi iyak na naman si Trent.
Kumain ito si Mami. Saglit lang nawala nung pumunta tayo sa baba eh. Kahapon eh. Gusto mo bumaba? Umaandar na.
Mommy, can you picture me?
Picture kita.
Yeah.
Na may camera na siya. Siya magaya.
Oh, you smile, baby.
Please. Can you smile?
Oh, you smile.
You say hello, guys.
Hello guys, I'm going to Boracay. Now here.
You say
You're
that.
already in Boracay, Apa.
I already. Is going. Did I want to go Boracay?
Yeah. Go, you tell naman nila. Hello, guys. Dito.
Hello guys.
Hello, guys. Ano na, guys? Hindi yan sa camera. Sa cellphone yan. That's not for the camera.
Yan, thank you.
Tita, is it for you? For
For the
your?
cellphone.
Is it for you?
It's for me.
This is a camera.
Whose number is it?
You record Kuya Gab and Kuya Apin na ka.
Wait. Is this?
Dito naman yung nakukuha.
I smile. I took a picture.
Right.
Kuya Gab,
Yeah.
smile. Shut up.
Hello.
Smile. Mommy, I was here. I record. I got it. It's in black.
Yeah, same block.
But is it different that kind of that?
Which one you like better?
I like that. I like that. Tita, I like that. Tita,
Yes.
I like that.
Apap, do you have sombrero?
Because I said it like this. This is for your mommy. That is for your mommy.
Okay, what's for Tita?
Whose number is that?
It's for me.
Susunod ka lang.
Hindi ko binigay sa inyo yun. Ba't ko kayo bibigyan ng tatlong sombrero? Isa lang ulo ninyo. Pinulo mo, hindi lang dinala lang ng kit na mo. Hindi rin dinala ni Papa yung kanya pinilan.
Nandito.
Sa akin, kaya po dala ni Papa lahat.
Ay, isa lang nga lang ulo ko, dati ko lahat.
Saan yun? Kaya nag-close yun?
Para mataas swim na naman ng sinasamahan ko si Trent, syempre, iwan ko yung mag-isa sa ano. Kasi nakasensitive yung timing.
Lapit na tayo, tinay.
Hindi.
Kaandar pala.
20 minutes na lang.
Late na tayo.
Mommy, let's go! Yay!
Oh, using shadows.
Wee!
Using Weller Max.
Wee! We are not to the hotel.
Ano sinabi mo? Dapat tawel.
Can fly in the sky.
Very good boy.
By me, the bat towel can fly in the sky. Tita, only pigeon can fly in the sky like airplane.
Yeah, dapat tawel cannot fly the sky. You know that, huh? Don't forget that, okay?
Okay.
Nagkatawal naman. Hindi mo yung cannot fly the sky. Don't forget that when you grow, huh? That towel cannot fly in the sky, okay?
Okay. Only I just wipe when I'm basa.
Yeah, yung basa mo.
Ito gamit ang tawel.
Kaya nga.
And my towel is in the hotel.
Yeah, you forgot the tree.
Oh no. My oopsies. There's a broken road. Because the big trucks bumped the road. Car R, van R. Oh no, what happened? What is happening?
Dapat tawel nga.
The towel.
Kahit ganyan, walang cover.
Hindi na kami sa iwa. May kumain na.
Mommy, Mommy, picture me.
Oh, I picture. Wait, I have another.
Mommy, my.
Your video with your set.
Tita, I just hold it tight.
Okay, there.
Tita, I'll just. When I'm in the Boracay, I will give this to Tita na.
Okay.
Nasa Boracay ka na.
Sa beach.
Sabi.
What's this the long? The one. Wait,
Wala na cellphone.
this.
Ha? Hindi pa nga.
Is it? It's not.
Dahan.
Siguro maganyan ka ako.
Ano mo yan?
Yeah. I see that. There is a one step.
One step. Ganyan na, may lab, oh.
We are here.
Dito guys, ano?
Can we go beach muna?
We eat.
No.
We eat na lunch muna.
Can we eat together?
Yeah, we will all together. Well, we will eat all together.
And then between we hold this.
Iyo, as isa. Di ba sabi mo kay tita pag nakarating ka na ibabalik mo na yan?
No. In the beach.
Ay, wala lang. Mamaya, hindi siya na nagba.
na sa dagat. Ito water.
Nagpito nga lang yun.
Talaga yung beach.
Oo, palagyan ng langis. Kaya palagyan mo ng langis, ano mo, kasi.
There. I got me.
Oh. You stay here, then stay here.
No.
Go to mommy.
Okay. Careful.
Doon tayo sa loob kakain. Ha? Sa loob na tayo kakain.
Saan? Saan loob?
There's my tita.
Up.
Can I go Jollibee? Can I go? You go here.
Tapos dito may kainan sa loob. Dito na yung kainan sa loob eh. Papasok lang doon.
Can I go to Jollibee?
Sa iba lang tayo kakain, anak. Hawak mo maigi, hold tight.
I want. I just hold it.
Susunod ako sa inyo. Ha? Eh, paano si Tre? Ha?
Kami.
Ako na sa gamit mo maghanap ka na.
Sige na.
Alin mo sila doon sa mga ina. Sa mga ina sa mga ina. Sa mga ina. Gusto nyo na kasi. Kasi gusto na lang ako.
Daddy, where's mommy?
Mommy will just give the laundry, okay?
For the
Because of our dirty clothes, okay?
dirty clothes because of
Because we wear it every day. Okay?
the police.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, this is the cover.
Hmm?
This is the cover.
Yes.
Don't take off the cover.
Yes. Be careful. Don't hulog, okay? The camera.
So that
So that it won't get sira. But that is not.
No.
Huh?
No, it's not
No?
Papa.
Okay.
My,
What? What? Tell
in
Daddy.
it.
Oh, Daddy gave you the hat. You don't want. Oh,
It's,
let's fix it. Okay?
okay. Daddy, I can make me wearing a hat
Yep.
because
Cause?
it's in it.
Mm.
It's in it. Here's not in it.
Yes.
Is it not in it here?
Yes.
Oh no. So, look. Time to eat.
Chicken na kayo lahat.
Wait, I'll help you. Wait, no, look. You need to
I need to lock them.
so that it won't. Let's look at baby trend. Oh.
Mommy! Mommy!
Mainit. You done properly.
Kuya Gab, can I take off that? Because it's here.
There. No, ask Tita. Ask Tita Hazel. There. Oh, wait, no, never mind. Don't ask. Come here. Oh, sit there. I'll do it for you, friend. No, no touching. Only me.
Kuya Gab,
What?
I'll get this.
You want to use this?
Yes, I'll use.
Oh, look, oh, touch it, oh. So hot. You need to turn it off na.
Oh,
Go.
let's press it.
Yeah, let's rest. Okay, we're going slow. Why are you crying?